Hello, my name is Jack. I'm a product specialist at Marin Acura. Today I'd like to talk about the Acura ZDX steering wheel functions. Today we're in a 2025 ZDX Type S. This would apply for both the base ZDX as well as the Type S. I'd like to show the only difference on the steering wheel though. This button is hands-free driving. It's only offered on the Type S, so this would look different. This button is different on the base, and this logo here is different. Otherwise, all the controls remain the same for all ZDXs. So we'll start on the right side. This is where you get Google Automated Assistant. If you click this, you'll get Google. If you're connected to a smartphone, if you hold this, you'll get Siri or Android's option. If you click here, you can toggle through your audio sources, and you use this right here for up and down. So let's say Sirius XM, cool. This will change your gauge cluster. So right now we have maps in the background. If I click here, it'll toggle the options. Right here is your heated steering wheel, answer call, end call. Moving to the left, we have cruise control. It'll pop up on the gauge cluster up there in the middle. You can set up or down your speed for cruise control. Here, we'll set your distance for your cruise control. So it'll set your distance of car lengths. And then this is the hands-free driving option. So that's only on the Type S. Can't do it while stationary. You would have to be driving to use that option, but you can check our videos for more information on that. And this steering wheel is special because it has controls on the back. So there is a paddle here, up and down. What that does is allows me to cycle through songs hands-free. And then the same is on this side here. So I can use the back and I can adjust volume. So I can turn up or I can turn down. So pretty cool steering wheel, a lot of options. Does take some getting used to, especially with these hidden buttons. Although I hope this video helps so you can use the steering wheel on the 2025 ZDX and ZDX Type S. Thank you.